How am I? I'm not happy. I'm so sad. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How's the meal? The meal's delicious. How is the food? The food tastes amazing. How is John? John's doing fine, thanks. How's your wife? My wife is very well, thanks. Her neck is much better. How's your dad? He's doing fine, thanks. How is work? How's work? Work's very tiring at the moment. How's your new job? My new job is great. How's life? Life's not great at the moment. How's university? University is going great. Loving it. How's school? School is terrible. I'm being bullied. How tall are you? I'm 6 foot tall. How cold is it outside? It's freezing outside. How hot is it outside? It's roasting outside. How intelligent is he? He's very intelligent. How deep is Loch Ness? Loch Ness is 0.141 miles deep. How high is Mount Everest? Mount Everest is 5.498 miles in height. How big is your school? My school is very big. How large is the conference hall? The conference hall is very large. How wide is the river Danube? It is 1.5 kilometers in width. How expensive is a diamond ring? A diamond ring is very expensive. How's your leg? My leg's really sore. How's your shoulder? It still hurts. How's your arm? It's okay now. How rich are you? I'm very rich. How's the weather? It's sunny. How are the children? The children are doing great. How are your parents? They're doing fine, thanks.